Today we'll be making delicious smoky beef carnitas with chuck roast from Fickle Creek Farm. You're not going to want to miss it. These are the flavoring ingredients you'll need. Make sure to zest your orange before you juice it. Hard to zest a juiced orange. Pro tip, you don't have a citrus reamer? Use a spoon. Half moons of onion. Smashed garlic. Look at that gorgeous chuck roast from Fickle Creek Farm. Perfect. All cut up, ready for the Instant Pot. Sprinkle with salt, freshly cracked pepper. We're going to start on the sauté setting. I used avocado oil here. You could use olive oil. Get your meat nice and brown on one side. Make sure to season that unseasoned side. Turn when they're browned. When you're done, you should have nice crispy pieces. Add your flavoring ingredients to the Instant Pot. Onions first. Nestle the meat down in there and top with your liquids. Set your Instant Pot for the meat and stew setting. When the timer goes off, release the pressure. And see what deliciousness comes out. You'll want to skim off some of the fat. Remove the meat. Break it up a little bit and then brown it really, really well on one side in a hot pan. While that's happening, reduce your cooking liquids on the sauté setting. Look how nice and crispy. All right, now here comes the most important part. In order to keep your carnitas from being dry, once they cool, you need to start breaking them up, and then you're going to add some of that reduced cooking liquid, about 1/4 cup at a time. Mix it in well, break your meat up even more. You'll do this in 4 additions, so you're adding about 1 cup of the reduced liquids. And once this cools, you can reheat it and it will be just as moist as the second it came out of the Instant Pot. And here's a serving suggestion. These are smoky beef carnitas lettuce wraps. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're hungry, and thank you NCDA for sponsoring this video.